Alright, let's look at some chart action for SunDial. Alright, so we got this bottom, something like this. Alright, so for the top, I would say something like this. Alright, so we're on the daily right now, and check out this moving average. It goes like this, something like this, moving along like this. And you can see when the price broke it right here, we got this big dump down. We tried to come up and test it, and we got rejected. We came down. We just broke above it. We kind of bounced on it a couple of times, and now we broke this trend line right here. So to me, this is looking pretty bullish right here. This breakout right here, maybe I would do a couple ways to do a target. So let's do like a basic triangle target, something like this. And that'll give us a target of around 283. Alright, so that's one target. Let's go ahead and get some targets with the Fibonacci retracement tool. So we'll get the tool, we'll grab from the top of the pump and drag it down to where we think the bottom is. So that's right here, the bottom, and then right here, the top. Alright, so now we have a couple levels to watch. I would say watch this level and watch this level. That 280 price target lines up with this level right here at the 61% level. So maybe this might be the target to look for. I would say maybe we get some resistance at this 50% level, but I'm not really seeing anything that's showing us that we're going to get resistance right there. But I would just say that this 50% level, the Fibonacci might be a level in itself. So maybe watch for some resistance right here at 244, but I'm thinking we're going to go up to 280. Let's take a look at the moving averages. Right now we're on the daily time frame, and as you can see, like I talked about, we were underneath it and we finally broke above it right here, and now we've gotten support on it, and now we're finally breaking out. This is perfect for what I think. On the weekly, alright, so as you can see right here, we broke below the weekly and we're going down, and right here we broke above it, and ever since then we've just been bouncing off of it, getting support on it, which looks good to me. So on the monthly right here, we broke through it right here, and ever since then we've been getting that big pump. Let me show you guys one thing that I just saw. So when I zoomed out a little bit in the time frame, you can see if we put a horizontal line right here at these previous like peaks over here, you can see that it lines up with this peak over here. So this might be a level to watch in general, this horizontal line right here. Maybe if we break this, we could even get something bigger after we break it. So I'm not really seeing any patterns to go off of to target once we do break this. But I mean, we could do the Fibonacci retracement again too. We could do from this top to this bottom, and maybe we can get a target of around 6.70. What do you guys think about that? Something right up here at this 50% level of this retracing from this top up here. So I would say if we're going to get to this target, we're definitely going to need to break this target first, and it's probably going to give us some resistance. So let's take care of this target first, and then we'll worry about this one. But this could be the possible next target is 670. If you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button.